hey, have you seen the time?
8.
Yeah, you're right. I got here really early because I'm really anxious. Shall we go?
Okay, let's go. Just let me park and I'll go with you.
Okay.
So, Joaquin, will you show me the plan for the pawn from the other day to see if we can start writing the code?
Yes. Here we have our pawn.
Perfect. What was the first action we should take to be able to write the code?
The first thing that we have to do is to determine the trajectory, isn't it? That's the route that the cutting tool will follow to produce the piece.
Perfect. This trajectory has to be transferred to the CNC, and we'll do it through the G commands. The G commands will give the tool the information on the forward and backward movements, and the radial and the rotational movements. Now then, the ISO standard that we use is the G00 for rapid forward movement, G01 for the machining rate, G02 and G03 to do the radius, and the G33 for threading. Do you understand?
Yep.
In a machining process, we have productive and non-productive movements. Productive movements are those in which I'm going to be machining and removing material from the piece. Non-productive movements are movements where I move the tool from one point to another. These movements, obviously, I want to do them as quickly as possible. How do I do it?
Well, I would be machining as much as time as possible, and when that isn't the case, I would try to have the tool return to its starting point as quickly as possible.
Perfect. And for this, we have the G00 function. This function uses the coordinates of the final point as input parameters, and I don't enter the speed, because the speed is defined by the manufacturer, and it is the maximum possible speed that the machine can reach. Now then, let me show you how this is sequenced in the program. We have n, which is the block number. We have G00, which is the function. X and Z, which are the coordinates. On the machining operations side, we have G01, which is an interpolation at a constant speed. Its structure consists of the XZ coordinates and the machining speed F. The G02 and G03 commands are circular interpolations in clockwise and counterclockwise directions respectively. Its structure includes the X, Z, and the radius. Finally, we have the G33 command to perform threading. In this case, I define the coordinates and the pitch of the thread. Understand?
Yeah, perfect.
Well, perfect. What I would like you to do now is to describe on the graph what we did on the table, what the route is that we are going to do in the G00.
On the plan?
On the plan.
Let's see.